Hey guys, brand new from Losi, we have the LMT Mega Trucks. We've got the Bog Hog and the King Sling. These are both going to be scale-ish, officially licensed models of the full-size vehicles, and they've got a lot of really cool details. Before we take a closer look at this, I want to let you guys know I've got a lot of really cool stuff coming up in this channel, so go ahead and subscribe, hit that bell to get notified. You're not going to want to miss it. Now these are both going to be based off of the Losi LMT, but they have made some changes. First, of course, the body is going to be different. The chassis is slightly different to accommodate the different size body style. They've got different shocks with longer shock shafts and shock shaft protectors on them, which is pretty cool. Looks like the axles are going to be basically the same. The rest of the drivetrain is going to be basically the same. One huge difference that they've made is they now have a 3668 can 2800 kV motor in here that they're saying is 4S capable. That's really awesome because people have been running the LMT on 4S for quite some time now, but the motor gets a little bit hot and it's not really designed for it. Putting the power to the ground is going to be these really cool looking 6.5 inch tall D&D Patty mud tires. These things are a lot thinner than the LMT tires, but they should get some really good bite in the mud. Looking a little bit closer at these bodies, they hinge forward instead of to the back. They've got some really nice scale detail in them. They've got the driver figures just like the regular LMT does, and they've got a matching powder-coated chassis just like a full-size truck would. Disappointments are going to be that the axles look about the same, the steering looks about the same, steering links look the same, sway bars look the same. These are all things that people that have the LMT are going to know are probably going to end up being upgraded in the long run. Steering especially is something you're going to want to work on pretty quickly, as the stock servo saver and stock servo don't really last very long. They might do better with these skinnier tires though, so we'll just have to see how it goes. This is going to be coming with the DX3 radio, which is nice. It's a bit of an upgrade from the SLT3 radio. And of course you're going to have to supply your own batteries. Looks like these are going to be coming in similarly priced to the LMT, which is pretty nice. I know there's a lot of people out there that really love the LMT. They love scale bashing it and they're going to be really excited about this. And of course there's going to be a lot of people out there too that just really like the looks of these, and I think they look really cool. What do you guys think about them? All right, that's all we have for today. Thanks so much for joining me. Leave any comments or questions down in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.